DeepSeek, a ChatGPT competitor developed in China, is now available to everybody without any waiting list or beta sign-ins. So you can just head to deepseek.com. You will see this welcome screen. And if you plan to use it on your desktop like Mac, Windows, you can have this Start Now button, and otherwise you need to download the app for your mobile devices. Alright, so you can download the app by scanning this QR code, or you can head straight to the official App Store and you can get the app from there. So this is official app from the App Store, nothing shady. As you can see right now, it's #1 in productivity category. Alright, so for mobile you need app. For computers, desktops, we just use the web browser. Click Start Now and they will ask you to register a new account. Keep in mind, you can use phone number or email, and in some regions you can only use email for that. You will need to click Sign Up to make a brand new account. You give them email, set up your password, and click Send Code after you put the email. So they will send you code to your email to reconfirm that you are the owner of that email. Click checkbox and sign up. Keep in mind, there's a huge warning at the top. They are under attack. This is a new service and thousands of new users per hour, plus they're kind of under attack by some third-party websites and companies that try to generate the traffic to them. So right now, creating new accounts can be a bit shaky. For example, I need to resend this code like 3 times before I manage to get codes. All 3 arrive in the same moment. So it took me like 5 minutes to wait for the code, and then when I click the sign up for the first time, the sign up failed. I fill it in again, I get the new code again, I click sign up again, and for the second time I managed to sign up. So it was not a smooth sailing. It took me like 10 minutes to finally go in, but after that, after the first sign up is completed, you can log in without any hassle. So let's just log in to my existing account, and after waiting for around 1 minute to log in, I see the main screen when I can start messaging AI chatbot here. In this prompt box, we can put attachments by clicking here. For now, there are only text extraction available, so we can put documents with text in them. We got these 2 toggles. One is for deep thinking, for problem solving module. We can turn it on. And another one is for web search. If you want this to search the web for the correct answers, you can turn them on both in the same time. So let's try it out. My prompt is to summarize the book, The Alchemist, using around 200 words. Now we click here, this blue arrow. And it's a very familiar screen. Most of AI chats looks like that when we got our prompts on one side, and then the chat is kind of answering us, like almost like we're chatting with the real person. And to compare this result with the industry standard ChatGPT, I will ask the very same thing on ChatGPT while we are waiting here. Alright, so it was definitely faster. We got our answer a bit quicker. But on this side, the Chinese AI, the DeepSeek, is currently busy and tell me to try again later. So let's try again right now. Alright, and here it is. I really like you make the draft first. Alright. Took him 8 seconds if you don't count the very first failed try. He made this gray out draft, kind of for us and for himself, and then based on that he made the final text that is exactly 200 words. Well, I like this 2-step process. As the final touch, now we can compare those two with some kind of reverse AI scanning to see that people can easily tell that this is made by AI. And here it is, 100% AI generated. Almost everything was highlighted, as expected. Let's check the DeepSeek. And we got very similar result. identical result, really, 100%. So the DeepSeek is also easy to detect by those reverse AI engines, even right now as the new thing. Alright, so here it is. That's how you can access DeepSeek. Simply head to the official website deepseek.com. If you're on the desktop like Mac and Windows, start now. If you are on mobile, you need to get an app for that. You can get it by following this QR code. Download the app only from the official store, alright? Don't download this from any shady places. Then you will need an account. Keep in mind, right now this website is under very high pressure, so it may take a moment to set up a new account. So be patient. And you will be granted access to this, and you don't need to sign in every time. You just log in once and you can using that. But as you notice here at the beginning, we got some troubles with the busy servers as well, so it took us a bit longer to get this AI generated text. Alright, I hope this was helpful. Thank you for today and see you in the next tutorial.